I am with Geraldine of Essential Parfums. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good. How's the show so far for you?
Busy.
Busy? Any exciting deals? Oh, okay. So I spoke to you back at Vexence a couple months ago. You had just launched a Fig Infusion created by Nathalie Lorson. Tell me a little bit about your most popular scents.
Oh, they're all popular.
They're all popular.
No, but yeah, they're all popular. I would say there's one or two or three that are like, we call it the bangers. Let's say that. What do you use?
Yeah, bangers.
Bangers.
The hits?
The hits would be Margaria
Okay.
by Quentin Biche, Nice Bergamot
Yeah.
by Antoine Maison-Dieu, Divine Vanille, which is
My favorite.
by Rivière Bouchon.
Vanilla lover, right?
Vanilla
You guys know this about me.
Yeah.
So how do you work with the perfumers? Like, do you have, like, I want to work with this perfumer, I want that perfumer to create this for me. How does that work?
Well, first I pick a perfumer. That's a good thing. And I ask him if would he like to create something for me. That's the first thing. They normally say yes. I'm like, none said no.
None said no. Okay.
No. And I give them a brief. I want to work on a vanilla, or I want to work on a rose or patchouli. And after that, they have carte blanche.
Okay. You give them carte blanche.
Yeah.
But do you, like, look at the profile of the perfumer and say, okay, they're known for doing a vanilla, or they're known for working with a patchouli?
No. It's a matter of the way they work, the way they sign, the way they build fragrances, and their personality, more than anything else. A good example of Quentin, when we did work together, he was not as famous as he is today. You know, it's
extremely famous.
He became like the bankable perfume of the moment. So no, it really depends. It's sensibility also. So for the moment, I have 4 men, 4 women.
Oh, you do? Oh,
Yes.
I mean, the perfumers, yes.
On the perfumers, 4 men, 4 women.
Who is your dream perfumer to work with next?
Fabrice Pellegrin is the next one.
Oh,
That is
can you give us a clue of what he's creating?
He's working on a patchouli.
Oh, my favorite note, next to vanilla.
But I want a real patchouli.
Real
you know?
patchouli.
I want the real patchouli leaf, a dry patchouli. I don't want it
Earthy?
chocolatey, maybe chocolatey, maybe balsamique, that area. But I want it very vibrant. So all my notes are very straight to the point. You know, the vetiver will smell vetiver. The vanilla is going to be vanilla. It has to be straight to the point.
Yeah.
I don't want to. The patchouli is such a beautiful note. I don't want to.
It's really a beautiful note.
You know, to add too much on it, and you don't smell any more patchouli. And the next.
You have another one that you're doing. Wow. Okay.
We're starting. I'm going to smell it next week. The first submission. I'm super excited. It's going to be Anne Philippe.
Oh wow. Cool. She's
Yeah.
pretty exciting lately. She's been doing some good stuff. She did a Frederick Mall.
She did a lot of very good stuff.
Yeah.
She's an amazing perfumer, and I'm extremely honored. Now I have Anne Philippe, I can die.
Okay.
No, I'm joking. But there's a few very good ones that I want to.
Cool. So when do we when should we expect the patchouli?
Next year?
Oh, next year.
Yeah, first semester.
And can you give us a clue of what Anne Filippo is making?
No. Too soon. It's
Too
going
soon.
to be flowery.
Oh, okay.
We only have 1 flower with rose.
Okay, yeah, you do have 1 flower. That's right. Okay. Good to know. Thank you for the clues.
My pleasure.
Yeah, and thank you for doing the video.
The honor is mine.
See you again.
Yes.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Bye, guys.
Bye.